Hey there, science enthusiasts. Today let's dive into the fascinating world of flat Earth believers and how they accidentally debunked their own theories. In the Netflix documentary Behind the Curve, we follow prominent flat earthers like Mark Sargent. What's ironic, their own experiments actually contradict their beliefs. Take Bob Knodel, for instance. He conducted an experiment using a laser gyroscope, expecting it to show that the Earth is stationary. Instead, the gyroscope registered a 15-degree-per-hour drift, exactly what we'd expect if the Earth is rotating. Knodel admitted this was a problem and was worried about revealing these results. Then there's Jeroen Campanella, who designed an experiment with posts and a light source. He aimed to prove the Earth is flat, but to see the light from a distance, it had to be raised to account for Earth's curvature. In other words, his setup inadvertently proved the Earth is round. Mark Sargent, a key figure in the Flat Earth movement, argues that flat earthers are winning against science because science just throws math at them. He believes Earth is covered by a dome and surrounded by a giant ice wall in Antarctica. So why do they maintain these beliefs despite evidence to the contrary? The documentary suggests psychological factors play a big role. Dr. Per Espen Stoknes explains that abandoning these beliefs could lead to social isolation and loss of identity within the Flat Earth community. Even Sargent admits he couldn't leave the movement if he wanted to. The film also raises bigger concerns about anti-science beliefs in general. Former NASA astronaut Scott Kelly comments on government officials who disregard scientific consensus, drawing parallels with climate change denial. So, while flat earthers set out to prove their point, their own experiments ended up reinforcing what science has known all along. The Earth is round, folks. Nathan Thompson, also featured in Behind the Curve, was in a YouTube video live-streamed on Feb 27. A man wearing a flat Earth sweatshirt yelled at elementary school students in South Carolina about flat Earth theory. It's been viewed more than 36,000 times. 2 days later, sheriff's deputies in Greenville County caught up to him. Nathan Thompson, 34, of California, was arrested on charges of disorderly conduct, according to a warrant served Feb 29. Thompson was identified as the man seen yelling at students in the video while encouraging them to take his flyers, the warrant states. The teachers then began to evacuate the playground area and retreat back into the school, at which point the defendant became very loud and boisterous by yelling at the children about the Earth being flat, deputies said in the warrant. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay curious.